friends, welcome to another video. In this video I am going to do another acrylic set with blue color and white. The white color I have taken from Glamorous and the blue color is available in in Amazon. I will give the link. All the colors, there are I think 24 colors a set comes, and I have taken the clear from Emmy's clear powder, and I'm using Morovan's monomer. This I love to use this monomer, and I'm using Shields number 10 Kolinsky brush, and I need some white nail paint and some stickers. So I have already prepped my nails, you can see, and let's dive into the video right now. In my last video I have seen that I went out of frame too many times, so I'm keeping this as my frame point and will apply the acrylic. So let's begin. Always saturate your brush with monomer before using. See, all the bubbles comes out, and then drag it. Now when you are dragging from this portion, you have to pick up, you can't see, sorry. Now you have to drench your monomer, now you have to drench your brush into the monomer and see that all the bubbles are coming out. And now when applying the application, you have to take the brush, drag it from one side, and from the opposite side you pick up the color. I will just shift this just to make my life more easier. Now from here, wait, so that you can see. And always wipe your brush after every application. now my acrylic application is done. Now I am going to encapsulate this with clear acrylic. So let me put these aside and take the clear one. So my clear cap is done. Now I am going to file these nails, and this one I will show you. Okay, so let me put it aside. Now now my nails are ready to file, so I will show you in this nail, and then the rest I will do off camera. Sorry, I have taken a 100 grit file. This is from Shields banana file. It is easier to go, means a banana file is easier to go near the cuticles also. So I have chosen this file. Now my nails are filed, buffed, and I have washed my hand, and now I will take some white gel pen, not gel pen, gel polish from Shields. I have taken this and will now start drawing some design. Now I will apply some bling on these nails. So first I'll go with this nail. So my bling placement is complete. Now I will cure this for 60 seconds. Now I will take a matte top coat and will top it off with matte, but very cautiously. I have to give the top coat because there are many blings over here. So after coming out from the lab, this is the end result. The set came out to be very cute. I really like it, the combination, color combination. And what do you think? Tell me that in the comments. And those who have made till here, to them, those who are new rather, if you like the video, please give a like. And if you are new, please do subscribe, because I bring nail videos in this channel, different types of nail videos in this channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, tada, chalo abar dekha hobe.